Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. For those who are just tuning in, welcome. My name is Jessica. You can also follow me on Instagram at Yes I Can Do Makeup. And for today's video, I was inspired from this picture here from Selena and also use a new collaboration they did with MAC Cosmetics. I hope you guys enjoy watching this tutorial. Guys, for my brows, I use this Cut Brow by Benefit. It's like the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. And this is in the shade number 4. I ran out of my Rihanna, my Fenty Beauty eyebrow pencil. So I'm just using that for now until I get a new one. So yeah, I just applied that. And I use a soft ochre paint by MAC. It's a Pro Longwear paint pot all over my lid. It's a primer I always use. Okay, and the first product I'm going to be using, which is I'm really excited about, is the MAC Selena eyeshadow palette, and this is how the box looks like. And let me go ahead and open it for you guys. And I have not swatched these shades or anything, so it's my first time swatching them in camera and in person. So yeah, this is how the packaging looks like. It's so cute. I love this packaging way better than the first packaging they came out with. Sorry, I love the shades of the other one too, don't get me wrong. Like for the colors of the lipsticks, I only got one eyeshadow from the last collection, but I love this packaging way more. I feel like they put more effort in this packaging than the other one. So yeah, I really love this packaging. It's super cute. And I just love how it comes with a picture inside. See, I feel like they put more effort in this packaging. I wish they would I made another Aaliyah collection like the same, you know, effort like this packaging. I love the Aaliyah collection, don't get me wrong. I still haven't touched it. Like I bought backups too because, you know, I want to keep that for my collection. But I just love that you know, this packaging a lot, but I wish they would have done the same for Aaliyah's. I don't know, like I feel like they should have like a bandana, or you know, or even like her with a swoop or something, you know, like her cartoon version of her or something, you know. I wish they would have put more effort, but yeah, I'm never gonna throw this away. This is super cute. Alright, so this is what the inside looks like. It comes with the 8 shades. They're really gorgeous shades also. Yeah, I love how, you know, the combination of the palette is cute, you know, the shadows and everything. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab this Morphe M504 brush, and the first shade I'm gonna be using is this shade here, Los Dinos. This one here is gonna be my transition shade, and it's like a light brown. Trying to get the look that she has in this picture. I'm just trying to recreate it as much as I can, but like, you know, just my own style of it. Okay, the next shade I'm gonna be using is this shade here, which is the shade called Te Amo. It's also a matte shade. It's a chocolate brown shade. Yeah, I'm just blending that shade with this Morphe M401 brush. Just applying that shade like right in the middle of the crease and blending that out. I'm just gonna keep applying that shade more, and I'm using this Morphe M43 brush and just applying it right in the socket of the crease. You know, I'm just intensifying that color more. I'm going back with that Morphe M41 brush and blending that shade. So this step is optional. It's just if you wanna, you know, intensify that shade more, which I like it more darker for me. And I'm going to be using this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and it's in the shade Fair. It's the same concealer I always use to cut my crease with, and I'm using this this Luxie 245 small shader brush. Just grabbing some from the wand. Just like halfway in the lid. Okay, the next shade I'm going to be using is this shade here, this darker shade here. It's like a dark brown, almost black shade. It's called, Live in Concert. I'm going to be using that shade. And I'm going to be using this Morphe Empathy 3 brush. And I'm going to go ahead and apply that here in the outer corner. Smoke it out. And I'm also going to bring it outward. Okay, and for my lid, I'm going to be using this beautiful shade here. It is called Me Siento Muy Excited. That's a Dazzle shadow. This one here. This beautiful gold shade here. And it's like kind of like a rose gold shade. Well, this lighting looks like that. So it's a really gorgeous shade, and I'm just gonna apply that right on my lid. Oh, it's so pretty. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be using this Mara Badescu facial spray, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this on the brush, just so that shadow can pop out more. The shade I'm going to apply it right in the middle is the other Dazzle shadow. It's a Texas thing, which is this one here. It's a really beautiful shade too. And I'm just applying it right between those two shades, just so it can give a nice transition. Forgetting the shade name, sorry. Los Zinos, a really dark brown, almost black shade. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that again in the outer corner. Just so that shade won't get lost, you know? I'm just bringing it outward. I'm going to be using the Sugar Cosmetics eyeliner pencil, and this is in the shade Back to Black. I'm going to apply that on my top of my lash line. It's going to be my liner. Just applying it like that. It's not meant to be perfect. What I'm going to do, I'm going to smudge that liner out. I'm going to be using this Morphe M408 brush, and I'm going back with that shade Los Zinos, that really dark chocolate, almost black shade. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply it right on top of the liner and smudging it. Back with, again, that shade Los Zinos, and I'm using this Morphe M408 brush again, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that right here in the outer corner, just to smoke it out and bring it outward. For my brown bone, I'm gonna be using that shade called Como Te Extraño, this white shade here. It's more like a cream actually. And just applying that underneath my brow bone. Just to mattify, you know, underneath my brow bone, that concealer. Okay, for my lashes, I'm going to be using this Eyler London Lux Cashmere lashes, and I'm going to be using the number 8 lashes, which are these ones here. They look really nice and wispy. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and try them. I've never tried their lashes before, but these look really cute. And I like how, you know, it comes like with a little box. Like once you're done using them, you can just put them away. I'm going to go ahead and apply this No Problem primer all over the skin. And I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of this Mara Badescu skincare facial spray for applying my products. I'm going to go ahead now and apply my foundation, concealer, and powder just for the time taken of this video, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I already applied all the products that I always use. So just go ahead and look at my previous videos just to see which products I use. I'm going back with the shade called Love in Concert. I'm just applying that shade in the lower lash line. Okay, just applying that shade in the lower lash line and connecting it on top of the shadow. Just like that. And I'm going to be using the shade called Los Vinos. This light brown gingerbread shade. Just applying that right in the inner corner. I'm also going to apply some eyeliner on my waterline. And I'm going back with that Sugar Cosmetics eyeliner I always use. I'm going to go back with that Big Ego from Tarte Cosmetics mascara again. I'm applying that mascara on the bottom lashes. Okay, since I'm mostly using the MAC and Selena collection, I'm going to go back with the original first MAC Selena collection. I'm going to be using this one here. It's called Tecno Cumbia, and it's a matte, and it's a blush. But I love it because it looks like it's a bronzer on top and blush at the bottom. I rarely use this, as you guys can see. I just don't want that name out of this compact. It's super cute. Even though I still love, you know, the packaging from the latest collection, but I don't want this to get ruined either. But I'm gonna go ahead and apply that as my blush and bronzer. Over very lightly. And I'm using this Estee Lauder powder blush brush. Okay, and I'm going to use the bottom one as my blush now. It's a very neutral shade, so you guys can see. And I'm also going to contour my nose. The same bronzer. And I'm going to go ahead and use this highlighter, which is the product I'm most excited about to try. I just love the packaging of this product. It's super cute again, so the outside looks like. It also comes with another picture of Selena, which is very cute. I'm not going to get rid of those. And this is how the packaging looks like on the inside. Look at that, guys. It's super gorgeous shade. I love it so much. Oh, I can't wait to apply this. Using this Mario brush, this highlighting brush. Oh my god, I don't even want to touch it, guys. I might just have to order another one because this packaging is super cute. I love the detail. Oh my god, so pretty. It's a beautiful champagne gold shade. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. This shade right here is actually one of my favorite highlighters now. I love that shade that much. It's so gorgeous. Look at that. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. And the shade of this highlighter is called La Leyenda. I don't know if I said that, but it's a really gorgeous shade. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and use this shade called Dame Un Beso, which is like a beautiful fuchsia shade. I still have not swatched this or tried it on, so I can't wait to try these. This is the closest shade that it looks like in that picture that she has on. Or I could be wrong because of the lighting, but I love this lipstick for that. Let me go ahead and try the other lipstick so you guys can see how it looks like. Okay, the next shade I'm going to be using is called Big Bertha, which is this shade here. Alright guys, sorry, my neighbor's dog will not stop barking, but the gloss I applied on top after is called Hey Dad Pizza, and it's from that same Selena and MAC collection. And after that I applied this Mary Badescu finishing spray, and that's just the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this tutorial, and if you wanted to see more videos, go ahead and click the subscribe button.